sulhasi, ja siulla sulhasi, ja koosioita kynnyksillä, ja nyksillä koosioita kynnyksillä, ja nyksillä kosjat kynnyksillä.
Midsummer Night's Dream, and I was Titania, and I had this really nice dress, and I felt all pretty and nice.
Probably when I was about 13 or 14, we read Henry V at school.
Sitting on the primary school carpet, it must have been when I was about year 4.
In college, when I had to do I had to learn a monologue from Cambridge.
Year 8 class of reading Romeo and Juliet.
Quite late on, the one I can remember is when you did King Lear.
Reading a William Shakespeare script back in primary school.
A nightmare, really. Confusing, disturbing, just total nightmare.
About 11 or 12.
Being handed a script and told that I had to read it and just reading the words, not understanding what I was saying, and being told to act even though I didn't understand the words that coming